Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to your Webflow site so people can book appointments with you without leaving the page. So first is to search Calendly in Google and click on the link that pops up right here. So to your Calendly dashboard, find the event that you want and click Share. Then choose Add to Website and pick the inline embed. From here, you're going to want to copy the code. Now you're going to want to open your Webflow website and drag an embed element onto your page where you want to add Calendly to show up. So as you can see here, you can paste the Calendly code inside the embed box, then click Save and Close. However, you can only access this feature with the paid Webflow account or active site plan. The form looks squished, give the embed element a minimum height padding or center it to match your layout. And that's it. That's how you add Calendly to Webflow. Easy bookings, no coding required. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more.